Okay, ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 261, exercise 3 or 03. This is a level 1 exercise. And exercise reads like this.
Acute pyelonephritis due to Helicobacter pylori infection.
Right. Acute pyelonephritis due to Helicobacter pylori infection. Okay? So this is a pyelonephritis and it's due to this infectious agent, Helicobacter pylori. Okay? So we are going to give you 3 seconds to pause the video and give us the answer in the ICD-10 code. 1, 2, 3. All right, the answer is, there are 2 codes. The first code is N10, right? And the second code is B96.81, okay? The first code is for the infection and the second code is for the agent, okay? Or the thing that caused the infection, okay? You got it? If you got it, just go to the next one. If you didn't get it, let's give you some tips. Okay, let's start with tip number 1.
Tip number 1. Start with pyelonephritis.
Right, when you're looking at the index, start with pyelonephritis, okay? Now, tip number 2.
When tabular says use additional code, the code goes after the main code.
Right. If they say code first, it means that the code goes before. But if it says use additional code, it means that the code goes after, okay? Now, number 3.
For additional code, start with infection.
Right, we're looking for the infectious agent, so you're going to go to infection to find the infection agent, okay? Now, with these 3 tips, try to get the answer. You have to get, you already know the answer, but try to get the path to it, okay? N10 and B96.81, okay? We're going to come to 3 so you can pause the video and then find the path. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's give you the whole summary of the problem, okay? The problem is acute pyelonephritis due to Helicobacter pylori infection, right? And there are 2 codes. The first code through the index is found like this.
First, go to index.
Go to the index.
Then go to pyelonephritis.
Pyelonephritis.
Then acute.
Then acute, and you get?
N10.
N10, right? So now we're going to check this in the tabular. So we're going to check the code 1 through the tabular like this.
First, you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
Then you go to N10.
N10, and it says what?
Acute pyelonephritis.
And then it adds?
Use additional code to identify infectious agents.
Use additional code to identify infectious agents. That's why you know that you need another code. Okay, so we're going to find the second code. The second code through the index goes like this.
First, you go to index.
Index.
Go to infection.
Infection.
Then go to Helicobacter pylori. Then it shows down as cause of disease classified elsewhere.
Right. Okay, so once you find all this, there's a code there, which is?
The code is B96.81.
Okay, so this is our second code. Let's check that in the tabular. So the code 2 through the tabular is like this.
First you go to tabular.
Tabular.
Then you go to B96. It's other bacterial.
Okay.
Then go to B96.8.
8. What is in B96.8?
Other specified.
Other. Okay, you just type it there. Other specified. Specified, okay. And then from there you go. Specified means that they're giving you exactly what it is, so you're going to find what it is in the next step, right?
Right.
Which is?
B96.81. Helicobacter pylori.
Pylori, right? And that's exactly what we needed. So that's why there is an equal sign at the end, and that is the answer, right? So thanks for watching, and please visit our website.
Call from 02809.